This is Joe, and this is the Joe Fixes It channel. I haven't made a video for quite some time. It's at least 3 months the last time I looked. But I got a request from a user. He wanted to know how to change the drive belt that runs from the engine to the transmission on his 48-inch Exmark Metro. Don't confuse this belt with the wheel drive belts. I already did a video on that. See my video. Today, I'm gonna remove and replace the wheel drive belts. I'm also gonna adjust the belt tension and the brake. It's actually quite the simple operation and only requires 2 tools, a wrench and a pair of gloves. In order to get this thing where I can get up under it pretty easy rather than jacking it up like I would normally do, I just put it on the end of my trailer and back it out and let it overhang a little bit. So all I have to do is throw down a piece of carpet and I can get right to everything that I need. In summary, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the deck belt off to get it out of the way, loosen up the idler that keeps the drive belt tight, and just pop it off the pulleys and put another one on. This is your transmission drive pulley, this is your idler pulley, and this is the pulley that drives the deck belt. In order to get the thing off, we have to get this out of the way first. I'll show you how hard that is. Grab a hold of it, slide it off, and you're done. The next thing we need to do is loosen this nut right here so we can get the idler pulley and take the tension off the belt. Slide the belt off and out, and here it is. To put it back on is just the reverse process. Pop it around there, put it on its back pulley. And if you can see the back pulley, it's right there, the little one up there. Slide it in between the idler. Pop it around this pulley. And pop it right in there. Tension your idler pulley, pull it tight. Doesn't have to be a lot of tension on it. You don't have to get a pry bar out or anything like that. Tighten your idler pulley down. Get it good and snug. That's really about all you need. It doesn't have to be super tight. And then get your drive belt for your deck belt back on, and you are good to go. I hope this content was useful. The guy that requested me to do this, I hope this helped you out. It is really a pretty easy job to do, you have to admit that. You know, they don't make these Exmark mowers, so they're difficult to work on. If anybody wants to see any other videos about the Exmark or something else that I can do within reason, leave it in the comments. I'll try to get some more content out on this channel because really, this is my favorite channel to do. If you found this interesting, subscribe to the channel and support it. And I'll see you in the next video.